Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming prerequisites: Docker and Dbeaver installed, a running database image, and exposed ports. You'll create a Docker network and run the container with a fixed port mapping so Dbeaver can reach it. Open a terminal and run Docker network create dbnet, then Docker run dname mydb network dbnet p5432, 5432 postgres, 15. Once done, verify container IP with Docker inspect or Docker PS. Make sure the database is initialized. If not, attach logs to see startup errors and restart. Now configure Dbeaver to connect. In Dbeaver, choose New Database Connection, pick the correct driver, then click Edit Driver Settings if needed. For local Docker, use host 127.0.0.1 and the mapped port, or use the container IP when on a remote host. If the database requires credentials, enter username and password and test the connection. If using SSL, import the CA certificate into Dbeaver and enable TLS. Once the test succeeds, save the connection and open the SQL editor to run a quick select. Finalize by configuring connection properties and timeouts, then create a dedicated database or schema for your work. Run migrations or sample queries to confirm schema access and permissions. To streamline, add the connection to a project in Dbeaver and enable auto-connect on startup. Once everything runs, back up the connection settings via export. Troubleshooting tip: if Dbeaver can't connect, verify Docker port mapping and firewall rules. Then run Docker logs mydb and test with PSQL or Telnet to the mapped port to isolate network versus credential issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.